Welcome to 99minds, the platform for managing omni-channel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we'll explore how to set up the loyalty opt-in section on the 99minds loyalty page. First, make sure you're logged in and redirected to the dashboard screen. Here, you'll see an option for widgets. Click on the widget and look for the loyalty page option. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Customize. In the Loyalty Page Builder, you'll see several sections: General, Hero, How it works, and the Loyalty Opt-in section. To proceed, we need to enable the Loyalty Opt-in setting. Just make sure it's toggled on. Now, let's configure the title. Something like Enroll in Loyalty Program works perfectly. You can see how it looks in the preview section. For the description, you can add a personal touch. For example, putting your routine first has its perks. Feel free to enter what suits your program. Next, you'll see a button labeled Enroll Now. You can customize this button further by changing its label. Explore options like styles, background colors, and font colors for the opt-in title. This section allows you to personalize the aesthetics to your liking. Adjust the background color and set the font size. You have complete control over the loyalty opt-in title fonts as well. Tailor it according to your preferences. Once you're happy with everything, click on Save to apply your changes. Then, close this section and return to the dashboard. Here, we need to check the customer list for those with opt-in faults. Look for the customer named John Doe. You'll notice that under the loyalty status, it currently reads No, indicating that they haven't opted in for loyalty. To resolve this, head over to the miscellaneous settings and ensure that the manual enroll in loyalty program flag is enabled. Hit Save and return to the dashboard. Now, let's check the storefront. This is where John Doe's reward page is displayed, which we previously reviewed in 99minds. Currently, John hasn't opted in for loyalty. If John hasn't opted in yet, the Enroll Now button should be visible. Clicking this button allows the user to enroll in the loyalty program. Let's click on it. After clicking Enroll Now, you can verify John's enrollment in the 99minds system. Just check John Doe's status. You'll see that John is now marked as having opted into loyalty, and that's how you can configure the loyalty opt-in flag and other settings in 99minds for the loyalty page. Thank you for watching.